Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Today's August 18th, 2018, day 43. Rainy morning. That's okay. Kind of fits my mood today. Really mellow mood. Don't feel like doing a whole lot. Got things I should be doing, but, you know, I think everybody needs a day off here and there. Anyway, you should have seen this parking lot at 5 a.m. this morning. It was almost, well, I won't say empty, but comparatively speaking, it was empty. And by 7:30, 8 o'clock, this is what it looked like. This is a very busy Walmart. Well, everyone, about to roll out of Walmart. Rain finally let up. I think I'm going to move on to that truck parking that I was at earlier in Longmont and hang out there. I've got a bunch of cleaning to do inside of here after 2 weeks of camping, and then I got to go dump the tanks. Now I think I've made up my mind to head on into Wyoming. I know there's not a huge amount in Wyoming, but I've spent some time in Wyoming, but not a lot of time, you know. So I thought I'd go check it out, and I can add that sticker to my door, even though I don't even have one of those sticker things. But I know the states I've been in. Anyway, yep, rolling on out of here. I don't know how it happens, but no matter where I go, no matter what time I go there, I will find the traffic jam. Alright, so the Arby's across the street had double beef and cheddars, 2 for $6, and then I ordered a fry. That would be dinner tonight. Well, I don't know if they messed up or what, but this is a double beef and cheddar with bacon. Both of them were, yeah, buddy. You know me and bacon. Yum. That was good. Been a long time since I had an Arby's. And honestly, that's a pretty good deal because $6 for 2 of those. Well, I don't know that you could go to Walmart and buy the stuff and do it yourself. So, anyway, that was good. I think I'm taking a nap. Can you tell I'm tired? I'm tired. Well, everyone, my little nap there turned into a 14-hour snooze fest. I guess I needed to sleep more than I thought I did. And not to mention I slept so much better, I think, too, because of the altitude. I found that up there at 9,000 feet, I would wake up a lot just because I couldn't breathe. And then all the computer issues I've been having, that didn't help any either. You know, I slept a lot on the couch just to babysit the computer while I was trying to reload files and stuff. But anyway, yeah, boy, I slept good. Hope you guys had a great night, a great evening. Peace out.